Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Bella and today we're going to be making over my toddler daughter's bathroom, and this is the last thing we have to do before we are completely settled into our new place. So it's been bugging me for a while. I've been waiting for the shower curtain to come in for so long, but now it's here and I'm so excited to be able to share this with you. Before we jump into decorating, I want to make sure that everything is super clean, so I'm cleaning the tub right now. She doesn't sit in the tub, she actually has another tub that she sits in, which I will clean in a minute, but right now I'm just getting everything cleaned up, and especially the back wall because I needed to clean it anyway so I could put up her new toy organizer. A super special welcome to everybody new who's joining us for the first time today. It might make a little more sense if I explain the inspiration for the mermaid theme that we are doing today. My daughter was born in July, and ever since she was born, everything's been mermaid theme with her. For every single thing that's important, her newborn photo shoot was mermaid themed, and she's my little mermaid, so I decided that a mermaid theme would be just perfect for her. Before we start actually decorating, I did want to give you an overview of what I got. So this is her bath mat, and it's actually a seashell. It's pretty cute. And here's her shower curtain. You'll see it a little bit later and bigger, but here it's like mermaid tails. I don't know if it's showing up. I also got her a bathtub toy organizer. And here are some towels that I got, say Kennedy Jade. And you know she's growing up when you need to get her a toothbrush and toothpaste. She's just getting so big. Here is the soap dispenser that I got for her. It's mermaid themed. And then these are some mermaid pictures that you'll see later. I'm gonna start by hanging her toy organizer, and as you'll see, this is my first time ever hanging a toy organizer, so a couple of the little suction cups fell down, but that's real life. It's struggle city, as you can see, and I just wanted to hang this up because all of her toys kind of get everywhere when we're taking a bath, and this way they'll stay super organized and up off of out of the tub, and they'll also look a lot cuter all organized. And with the added storage space, I was able to finally unwrap some of her bath toys that she got before she was even born, and I was able to put them in the one that I'm going to put up in a second, so she'll have even more fun toys to play with during bath time. If you're wondering, yes, that is a Harley Quinn rubber duck, courtesy of her daddy, who is a huge DC and Marvel fan. I'm gonna start hanging up the shower curtain, and I totally know that it is so super wrinkled. I really want to get some type of garment steamer for here because there's really no room for an ironing board. So I know Conair, the brand Conair, has a really good one, but if you know any better ones, let me know in the comments. Now I'm gonna clean up her sink and vanity and get it all ready for her toothpaste and toothbrush holder. And I feel like this video and the last video I made where I decluttered her toys were super sentimental videos, and that's just how you know that she's growing up. Look, here's the toothbrush and toothpaste. I got her a baby toothbrush that she can kind of just chew on until she gets ready to actually brush her teeth, because it's not something she has to do yet, but I do want to get her ready for the feeling of it. And here is that cute little soap holder that I got, and now I'm showing off her mermaid pictures. And with these, they came with little hooks, but they were gonna really damage the wall, so I just used tacks and hung them up, and they worked perfectly fine. Here are some custom towels that I ordered for her off of Amazon that say her name and have a cute little mermaid right before it. And that is gonna bring us to the end of her bathroom makeover. I hope everyone enjoyed this video because it was so fun to make. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit the thumbs up, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing and turning on your notifications because it helps small channels like mine grow, and we have just an amazing time here in our community, chatting in the comments and just interacting with each other. And until I see you again, remember that you are an amazing mom and the world is so much better with you in it. Bye, beauties.
I'm yours until the end of time.